Hello everyone, this is A.T.O.M or A.T.O.M for Automatic Thinking Overrated Master. Yeah, so I'm that guy. So in this video I will show you what a capacitor is. So usually in a circuit board you can see, like those little things sticking out like that, little circle, like like that, and like some sort of cylinder, right? Those in fact are capacitors. See, the difference between a battery and a capacitor is, so they both store electrical power, but there are two differences. The battery releases it gradually. Then the capacitor just releases. Sorry for the spelling. I suck. All of its energy. Sorry for the shaking. Something got loose. Sorry. Its energy at once. So see, if you want to shock someone, use a capacitor. But if you just want you see, have you ever put a 9-volt battery on your tongue? So obviously, if you're a little bit dumb, then yeah, you have. But I'm just saying, if you have, then you know what it feels like. It's a tiny bit of shock, right? Well, think of that, and think of you just putting that on your tongue for a little while. That's basically how it feels like to have a capacitor. Just pretend so you get the point. The battery releases its energy gradually. The capacitor just charges up and just goes, and just releases it all at once. So yeah, that's between the difference between a battery and a capacitor. What you always have to think about is, everyone will think, oh no, it's a capacitor, it's so hard to build. Actually, it's really easy. All you need is some sort of cylinder or some sort of a container. I'm just gonna pick sorry for the base, suck at drawing as well. Just pick, I don't know, some sort of plastic tube, right? Okay. In the middle, there's gonna be some sort of roll. That roll is basically the main component of the capacitor. See, okay, you need. Okay, I'm literally just gonna tell you how to build one. Okay, so you will need aluminium foil. Okay, that's number one. And the second one is some sort of plastic. You can, if you actually be honest, you can actually use the wrapping paper, which is the sheet of plastic that you put over your food, and you get the point. So plastic sheet. Two. That is basically the main component of capacitor. Okay, I'll get back to the how to build one later, and I'll get to the how it actually works. Okay. Pretend this is a capacitor, right? Okay. This is a negative. This is negative. This is positive. Okay. So pretend you have some sort of a power source, which is a battery. I'm just gonna get some. Okay. So when you plug your cords in, basically, I'll draw it over here. Sorry. These are your wires, right? The electricity flows that direction, and then it hits the foil, right? The foil, because it's a foil, it also gathers up electricity, right? But for it to actually pass through, for the foil to transmit all of its energy, which is you see, I'm putting putting negative energy inside or positive energy, depending on like how you want to say it. Okay, one side it basically gathers like one of the, so it's either negative energy or positive energy. It gathers on one side because the plastic sheet is preventing the other terminal from actually touching the other side or making contact with the other side. That's basically a capacitor, as I said. So electrons go that way, but it's blocked off by a sheet, so you can't get past. But because there's nothing there, there's another source of energy that's collected on the other side. So yeah, that's how a capacitor actually charges. One side is charged with negative, and one side, because the other side can't do it, one side, just for example, charged with positive when they connect to a battery. There you go. That's it. That's basically a capacitor. Now all you need is see that you will need okay. You just get really large sheets of aluminium foil, which most people should have. Okay, so if you look from top view, it's basically an aluminium sheet. Sorry, I'm just going to draw on another piece of paper. So top layer, aluminium sheet. Poop. Aluminium sheet. Or slash foil. Yeah, everyone says tin foil, but it doesn't really matter. It just has to be some sort of metallic foil. Okay. Then you put your wrapping paper or your plastic. In other words, it's your dielectric. So I'm just gonna say plastic because it's easier to remember. Make sure the plastic is not too thick because the whole thing can't do anything now because it's not even close enough. So make sure just like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 layers of the plastic maybe, and just put just the foil. So plastic, and then you put another layer of aluminium. Done. All you need is just roll that up, so it's going to look like that. Yeah, there you go. That's basically your capacitor. So you just have to connect it to one terminal, just connect to the other terminal, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. Please subscribe and help this channel grow. So yeah. Oh yeah, also hit the notification bell so you can so you know when the next time I upload another video. If you haven't seen my latest video, please go check out my railgun explanation. So thank you for watching, and yeah.